Friends, in this question, which is of the year 2019 CDS exam, a field can be reaped by 12 men or 18 women in 14 days. In how many days can 8 men and 16 women reap it? So as per the question, we have to frame the solution. So work done or number of days required by one man would be how much? Obviously, if 12 men are completing the work in 14 days, single person will take more days to complete the same work, so we will have to multiply this 12 with 14. And similarly for women case also, we have to multiply 18 into 14 to find out number of days required by a single woman. So for one woman, men we have to calculate first, and for one woman we have to calculate number of days, and with respect to that, amount of work done in one day can be calculated. So number of days required by one man would be 12 into 14 days, and number of days required by one woman, obviously the same work will be finished in more number of days, right? Because it is done by single woman, single lady. So 18 into 14 will be the number of days required by a single woman to complete the work. Now, amount of work done in one day by one man can be calculated, just reciprocal of this, which is 1 by 12 into 14. Similarly, amount of work done in one day by one woman would be 1 by 18 into 14. Now, what is to be calculated? We have to calculate how many days, in how many days 8 men and 16 women reaps it. So let us suppose n days, in n days 8 men and 16 women reaps the field. So as per that, 8 men and 16 women reaps the field in n days. So the formula will be, if in one day this much of work has been done by one man, so by 8 men, how much work will be done in this n days? In n days by 8 men, 8 upon 12 into 14 plus this is for one woman, work done by one woman. But how many women we have? 16 women. So 16 into this much will be the work done by 16 women in one day, and this is work done by 8 men in one day. That's why we have multiplied 8 into work done by one man in one day. So this is 8 men in one day, how much work is done. Similarly, 16 women, work done is 16 into amount of work done in one day by one woman. And we are not aware of the number of days, so number of days is multiplied with the amount of work done by them in one day, results to the complete work, isn't it? So it's just a simplification. Now we have to do normal simplification. Just cancel the common factors in numerator and denominator here and here. Then we are left with 1 upon 3 into 7 plus 4 upon 9 into 7 is equal to 1. And when we take out the LCM, we get 63 in the denominator, and here we get 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. And this is 7 upon 63 is equal to 1, which gives 63 upon 7, which is 9 days. 7 9 is 63. So in 9 days, 8 men and 16 women can reap the field with respect to the condition given that a field can be reaped by 12 men or 18 women in 14 days. So this is how we can solve this problem. So the answer is 9 days. So out of the MCQs options given, this is the correct answer. Thank you.